So let's go ahead and practice knowledge bases. So on the left-hand side, you have knowledge base, and then here's how it works. So we can first do a little sandbox environment when we can upload and chat, but then we can create a knowledge base and test it and then use it. So first, I'm going to take it very easy, and we're going to chat with a document so you understand the idea behind knowledge bases. So you first need to select a model. So we have Anthropic Claude 3 Sonnet right now we can use. And we're now going to look at these parameters, and we have a chat prompt template. So this demonstrates how RAG is working. So we're saying, hey, you are a question answering agent, and I will provide you with a set of search results. And then your job is to answer the user's question thanks to this search result. And here are the search results. So they're going to be right here provided in this prompt. That's why it's called an augmented prompt. It's because this prompt is going to be augmented by the search results performed on our documents. And this is the whole idea behind RAG. And this whole thing is going to be sent into your foundation model. So we don't touch this because this is great. And we're going to just provide some data. So the data can be from your computer or Amazon S3. We'll use our computer. And then I'm going to select in the code you have downloaded in the beginning of the course. And if you don't have the code, please go to the beginning of the course in section 2, and you will find the code and slides download. You download it, and then you go into Bedrock and Evolution of the Internet detailed point PDF. And this is a document that I've actually generated using AI. So it's a PDF document generated by AI, which contains some information around the internet. So we're going to chat with this document right now, like if it was a RAG use case. And we say, when and who invented the World Wide Web? We run this, and it's going to retrieve the relevant information in our document, pass it into this prompt to augment it, and then answer the question. So here we have the information that the World Wide Web was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. And then we get some information. So we have 1 and 2. These are the sources from our document that gives us some information to answer our query. And we can click on show source details, and it's going to show you the source chunk 1 and the source chunk 2 that were used to answer our query. This is very nice. And then we can just try a little bit more. So what is the future of the internet with AI? And we run it. And again, it's going to look in my PDF document that you can have a look at, by the way, on your own. And you say, hey, here, AI is expected to play a more important role on the internet. For example, we'll have AI-driven chatbots, recommendation systems, and virtual assistants. And again, we can look at the quotes. And so here we have 1, 2, and 3 quotes from our documents. So this is the idea behind RAG. And I'm going to stop this lecture because you've seen how it works from a document perspective. I'm going to create a next lecture to show you how you can set up a knowledge base. It's a bit more complicated and involved, so you can look at it if you wanted to, but from an exam perspective, you know enough on RAG. So I will see you in the next lecture to set up a RAG knowledge base entirely if you wanted to, but otherwise you can skip it and move on. All right, that's it. I will see you in the next lecture.